Hey YouTube, it's Grant from the Koff Brothers. This is my first video, just learning how to edit. Don't get me wrong if I make any mistakes, okay? So, right now you're probably wondering why this is called the Koff Brothers. I mean, brothers? Where's the other brother? Well, the other brother's gonna come in a couple of days. Until then, I'm just gonna check in. And he's been with my friends. I'm not telling you guys because he's a mystery guest. And make funny videos. And hope you enjoy. So please subscribe and peace.